You like this one girl at your work and she is so beautiful. She is tall, long hair, and she has an amazing personality. But you fail to get her. Not because she is something out of this world and you are not worthy of her, but due to mere fact that we fail because we are not doing the right things to get her. As Alex Hitch from the movie Hitch says, any guy can sweep off any girl from her feet. All he need is the right room. So true, you just need to play your cards right and she is yours. In this video, I have compiled some tricks that will help you in get any girl you want. Trick number 5, accepting her challenge. Girls usually try to play hard to get rolled. They want to challenge you as to see are you up to the challenge of getting her or just simply trying your luck against her. So first thing you need to do is get that fact that you are getting a girlfriend out of your mind. It is important as many of us will do anything to impress a girl and to make your girlfriend. But whereas girls like a person who won't agree with everything she says or approve to everything she does, someone who is afraid to challenge her. When she realizes that you are not there after her, that's where she gets interested in you. The more you chase her, the more she will become difficult to get. So just let her know that she is the least thing on your mind. Trick number 4, make her think about you. The next thing that you have to do to get the girl you want is to get her think about you whenever you are gone or not around her. That is when she will start liking you. If you are continuously around her, she will soon lose interest in you, and furthermore, she will think like you are stalking her and will give a creepy image about yourself. You can end up in an awkward situation rather than getting her. The love and liking both increase and get stronger when the other person is away. Making the girl constantly thinking about you is the key. Trick number 3, listening to what she is saying. It is very important to listen to what she is saying. Focus on the conversation, make her feel important that she is worth listening to. It is because nothing turns off a girl more than not paying attention to what she is saying. When you focus on her and the conversation, chances are low of error from your side. Add your input in the conversation as well rather than just sitting quietly and nodding to whatever she is saying. Rather make the conversation healthy and funny, so that when she walks away from the conversation, she is thinking that talking to you was fun and wishes to talk to you again. Most importantly, don't let her walk away from the conversation before giving you her number. Tip number 2, complimenting her genuinely. This is such an important thing to do because nothing makes a girl happy than a compliment. It will make her feel better about herself and show that you notice details about her as well. Complimenting a girl is another way to show that you appreciate and recognize her. Your compliments are not to be long and cheesy type, they can be simple and short. Like if girl has a beautiful eyes, you can simply say that you have a beautiful eyes or your smile is so cute, because one compliment can totally change her day. Compliment does not show that you admire their physical beauty, but also represent that you show respect, trust, and hope. Not only that, but complimenting the girl also increases your relationship bond. Trick number 1, make your move. Lastly, the most important of all is making the move. Taking action, approaching her. All other points or tips are useless if you approach her the wrong way. If you think that by dropping feeble hints around her that you like her and want her, then you can forget you will ever get her. Even if she knows that she wants you to make the move of approaching her, you have to approach her with confidence and relaxed body language. After that, when conversation starts, try to keep eye contact and smile while talking to her. Now is the time when all the above tips come into place. Focus on her conversation, give a genuine compliment, and finally exchange numbers. If you have done it right, trust me, you will get a call from her sooner than you can think. If you really want to get a girl you like, you will have to put some effort in it and plan it right. Because when you will still thinking, other guys would had already made their move. So this is it for the day, guys. Hope you liked this video. Be sure to hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Take care. Bye.